Hey YouTube, just want to show a quick setup of how to compress the piston back into your brake caliper. Here we've already got the caliper off, taking it off the car, took it off right here. What you want to do is remove your outside pad, just go ahead and knock that pad out. You want to leave this pad in, and that gives you a flat surface to push against. So you're going to want to push against this outside surface on the back side, and also push on your brake pad before you take it out. I'm using a special vise grip here. You can also use if you have a big pair of channel locks, maybe a vise, and a lot of people use C-clamps to compress this back in. Those will all work. You just need to be able to push on this part of the pad and push on the top of the caliper. So I'm going to go ahead and squeeze this back in. You can see that piston move just a little bit, and sometimes you have to pull off and readjust that as well. Basically, that's how you do it. That's how you set it up.